Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice exponential equations: 4 power x plus 4 power x plus 4 power x equals 60. So let's solve the value of x by considering the solutions. So here we have 4 power x. Suppose we take out 4 to the power of x from here. So when we divide the first one, we have 1 plus, divide by the second one, that is 1 plus, by the third one, that is 1. This equals 60. Then from here, we have 4 to the power x multiplied by, so addition of all these, we have it as 3, and everything equals 60. Then from here, let's divide both sides by 3. So when you divide both sides by 3, so we know 3 cancel 3. And when 3 cancel 3, so what we have here is 4 to the power x equals, so 3 in 60 is equals 20. Then let's introduce log on both sides. So we have log 4 to the power x equals log 20. And by rule of logarithm, suppose we have log p raised to the power n, this equals n multiplied by log p. And from here, you can see x multiply log 4 equals log 20. Then into here, let's divide both sides by log 4. So by dividing both sides by log 4 cancelled log 4. Then we have our x equals log 20 divided by log 4. So this is what we have from here, and we cannot leave the answer just like this. What we do here is we break 20 into, we have 20 equals 4 multiplied by 5. So we have our x equals log 4 multiplied by 5 divided by log 4. Then into here, let's say we have log a multiplied by b. So this equals log a plus log b. And after having this, we apply it to these expressions. Then we have our x equals log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 4. And by separating this, we can see x equals log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 4. And from here, we have the value of x equals this cancelled, and we have 1 plus log 5 divided by log 4. So then we have, so if this is what we have, suppose we have log a divided by log b. So this equals log a base b. And when we apply it to this, we have our x equals 1 plus log 5 base 4. And this is the answer to this problem. Well, let's try to verify if this equals from the questions. As the question says, 4 power x plus 4 power x plus 4 power x equals 60. So we have to replace all this with all the value of x here with 1 plus log 5 base 4. So for the first one, we have 4 raised to power 1 plus log 5 base 4 plus 4 raised to power 1 plus log 5 base 4 plus the last one, 4 raised to power 1 plus log 5 base 4. I want to show that all this equals 60. So from here, let's try to apply indices law. We call this one 4 power 1 multiplied by 4 raised to power of log 5 base 4 plus 4 power 1 multiplied by 4 power of log 5 base 4 plus 4 power 1 multiplied by 4 raised to power of log 5 base 4. And suppose we have a raised to power of log b base a. So this equals b. So we have to master this. Then the whole of this becomes 5. As we multiply 4 by 5 plus, so it applies to everything. 4 multiplied by 5 plus 4 multiplied by 5, everything equals, I want to check if this equals 60. And by this, 4 times 5, that is 20 plus 20 plus 20. And this equals 60. So 20 plus 20 plus 20, that gives us 60, and 60 equals 60. So it shows that the left hand side equals the right hand side, and this proves that the value of x here that satisfies this equation equals 1 plus log 5 base 4. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.